How many eSIMs can an Android device have? Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will discuss about the number of eSIMs that an Android device can support. So without further delay, let's get started. So the number of eSIMs that you can use on your Android device depends upon the device hardware. Not all the Android devices have eSIM support, and those that do vary in how many eSIMs profiles they can store and how many can be active at once. So it depends upon the type of device or the brand of device that you hold. So for example, if you use the Google Pixel 7 or 8, then you could have 8 stored eSIMs and 2 active eSIMs. And that will vary on other devices as well. So to check your Android phone whether it supports the eSIM or not, you have to go to your settings, and under settings head towards the network and internet, and under this option you could check for the eSIM support and check how many can be added or active. So therefore, most of the modern Android devices can store multiple eSIMs by usually one eSIM active at a time, but some support two active eSIMs, that is physical SIM plus eSIM. Dual SIM is the most common setup. So that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.